Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 of our road trip adventures. We are checking out of the little hotel that we stayed at, the little budget inn, and we're gonna head to Crater Lake this morning. I am so tired. I did not sleep very well. When we arrived here, we were the only ones here, and now there's like a few cars. There's been all kinds of noise throughout the night. We got in here around 9 p.m. and all these other people arrived shortly after that. And then throughout the night there was all kinds of noise from the highway. I could hear big trucks passing by, freight trains, and just one thing after another. And the fridge kept making some strange sounds in the middle of the night. And then there was a really weird red dot in the light fixture, so that was freaking me out all night. I kept thinking that there was a camera and people were watching us sleep, so I did not sleep very well. We found out this morning that it was a reflection from the alarm clock, so boy do I feel like a dummy. I need to go get some caffeine. We're hitting the road. Crater Lake, here we come. Goodbye budget inn that reminded me so much of Bates Motel. Never again. Mm-mm. Holy cow, guys. Look at the visitor center. You can't get in through the front door because it's all snowy. We are officially at Crater Lake National Park. We're going to make a quick stop in the visitor center just to look and see if there's any snacks or something like that. And then we'll carry on. Woo! Adventure! Change of plans. Apparently they're not open until 10 and it's only 8:45. Oh, we'll catch it later. That was so beautiful, so breathtaking. Oh my gosh, so cold. Wow. Anyway, nothing opens till 10, and we really don't want to hang out for an hour, so we're just going to get some snack bars from the trunk and carry on our adventure. We're making our way to Reno. I'm sure we'll have some stops along the way, so yeah, I'll pick up the camera then. Finally got coffee. It's a soy caramel macchiato, iced, from the Human Bean. And it's good. Heck yeah. Apparently we are now in California because that's what the GPS just said. It's awesome. Yay! So welcome to California. We are currently on our way to Petroglyph Point. Apparently there's like lava beds and stuff out here too. This will be pretty neat. amazing view of Mount Shasta from here. Wow. Whew! We've been on the road a long time. It is time to stop, get a bite to eat, and use a restroom. I know, TMI, but it happens. And it's about to happen now. At Burger King! They're back on the road. Lunch was good. Surface was a little poopy, but whatever. It happens. Yeah, so 80 miles until Reno. Yay! Woo! Oh yeah, by the way, we're in Reno, Nevada. We're about to go check into our hotel. We're staying at the Ramada. I'll do a room tour once we get there and get everything unloaded from the car.
A few moments later.
We are all checked in, and like I said earlier, I'm going to give you a quick hotel room tour. So here's the door, right? When you come in, there is a little bit of a closet area. It's an open closet, and it's got an iron and an ironing board. It's a really, really nice full-length mirror here. Behind me is the bathroom. It's pretty standard. You got your toilet, bathtub, shower, sink, mirror, hair dryer, artwork. Cool. And then you come out here. We got this bed. It's got a nightstand on each side, an alarm clock. Looks like a radio of some sort. I honestly don't know. Telephone. Here's a TV with the dresser. A work desk with a coffee machine. We have a coffee table. We have a Pete. I'm guessing that's a sleeper sofa. I don't know. According to the girl at check-in, she gave us a room upgrade because she couldn't find our reservation that we booked through bookings.com, which, okay, but she didn't charge us anything extra. So if this is an upgrade, all right, cool, we'll take it. Here's the view out the window. It's not real exciting. It's mainly the parking lot. And then across the way, you can see some of the other casinos. That'll be really neat at night when it's all lit up. Cool. All right, I am going to drink some water because I'm getting dehydrated, cool down a little bit, and recharge some batteries, and then we're gonna go out and explore. So I'll see you in a little bit. Dinner. We had steak and lobster for $10. I'm a bad vlogger. I didn't vlog it. Sorry. We are outside of this Japanese steakhouse right now, and I'm guessing it used to be an old Planet Hollywood because there's all of the old signatures and handprints. Like, this is Bruce Willis. They have the same size hand. Okay, this is proof right here that this used to be a Planet Hollywood. Look at that. Holy crap. You guys can rock climb on the side of this hotel casino. No thanks. I'm happy with my feet on the ground. Okay, so Pete and I, neither one of us are big gamblers. We work way too hard for our money. But we're walking and, you know, trying to go back to our hotel, and I just found $20 sitting on the sidewalk. So our dinner just got paid for. Yes! Yay! I love it. Weird. And we're back where we started. This is the hotel we're staying at. Back in the room. I am ready to kick off my shoes, relax, do absolutely nothing, maybe take a shower. I'm going to call it a day. It's been a long day, quite the adventure. We have another long day on the road tomorrow. We are driving to Yosemite tomorrow. I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to Yosemite for so long now. I'm going to end today's video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye for now.